Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reboot your Tesla Model X. To perform a basic screen reboot, simply hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel. Keep them pressed until the touchscreen goes completely black. Release the scroll wheels once the Tesla logo reappears. The system will then restart, usually resolving minor software hiccups and improving responsiveness. This is a quick and easy fix for many common issues. For a more comprehensive reboot of both your main display and instrument cluster, use the two-button method. Place your Model X in park. Then, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel, along with the two buttons above them. Continue holding all four buttons until both screens turn black. Release them when the Tesla logo reappears. This deeper reboot can often clear more persistent software glitches.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. On another note, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's got voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, making your life much easier. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
If the previous reboots don't resolve your issue, a full power cycle might be necessary. First, place your Model X in park. On the touchscreen, navigate to Safety and then Power Off. Confirm the power off. Exit the vehicle, close all doors, and wait for at least 2 minutes. Do not open any doors during this time. After 2 minutes, open a door to wake the car up. This performs a complete system reset. When performing any reboot, always ensure your Tesla Model X is safely in park. If a reboot doesn't fix the problem, check your vehicle for any pending software updates. Sometimes, an update can resolve underlying issues. If you're experiencing critical or recurring problems that reboots don't solve, it's best to contact Tesla service directly. They can provide further diagnostics and support for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.